The second item on our risk menu is the hazard register. So when we click through to the hazard register, let's go ahead and add the first example. So we've got a range of different hazards here. You need to make sure you've covered off the WHS and environmental, but it can be very useful to cover off the other areas as well. I'm going to add a sample in today, traffic and pedestrians. So we've got some environmental aspects. We've also got some WHS items in here. So we've got being hit by moving objects, hit by traffic, lost in work zone. So there's a range of things to add here. It could be a fatality in this case. So we've used a risk register where 1 is the lowest risk, 25 is the highest risk. I'm going to make this a 20 just so we can get an idea about where that lands. What are we going to do? We might add some engineering controls here. So we might add some traffic barriers. And we'll make the residual 10. You can see, so anything above a 16, which is will appear in the significant hazards, and what normally you will need to add a bit of a plan when we get up to the planning section of how you're actually going to manage this. All the other hazards, pop them in as well. You might find that when we get into the incident area and you select it, that hazard was what the incident related to, you might find that something is more significant than you originally first thought. Once you've completed adding hazards, you can come back here anytime and add more if you need to. If we go on to back to our risk on our setup, tick the box to show that we've completed.